Hello?
I don't know, I saw it turn around on this corner.
Sir?
Yeah.
You got a driver's license? I'm Deputy Peters with the Smith County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today, your tail lights were not working as you were driving on the road, okay? And then you immediately pull into a residence.
I literally have a claim that taillights are not a crime. I'm not involved in the traffic code. I have a notice here. I literally have a lawsuit going on with Nassau PD.
Okay.
And signed by the judge. This is his dad's house.
He's county. Also not driving. Driving's a commercial.
And I'm not driving. This is the county commissioner's house, county clerk. We just pulled in. Which tail light is out?
It was both of them.
Which one?
Both of your tail lights. None of them were working as you were driving on the roadway. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
I'm not driving. I'm outside of your jurisdiction, actually. Who do you work with?
The Smith County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, the Sheriff's County?
Yes, sir. Do you have any form of an ID or driver's license?
I do, but I don't have to present it since I haven't.
You do at this point in time because you have committed a traffic offense.
Which
you were driving a vehicle. I'm not here to argue with you. Do you have a driver's license?
I've got a dictionary because he doesn't seem to know the definition.
I'm not involved in the traffic code. Yeah.
So the definition of driving versus the definition of traveling, there's a dictionary.
Okay. Let's use this term. You were operating a vehicle on a public roadway. I'm not, sir. Right now he is being stopped. Okay. You have no involvement.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm actually just being a concerned citizen because I know that
that's fine.
Kill people.
Okay.
So I'm actually just watching.
If you want to be a concerned citizen, add your car, please.
I'm showing you the law. Okay. This is actually case law. This is case law showing you the difference between an automobile and a
that's not that right now. That's not where we're covering.
You actually don't need to know.
You have a driver's license. I can get you out of here.
What emergency do you have? Because if there's not actually a crime or a victim, then you actually can't even use your red and blue lights.
You're actually trespassing on private property too.
Okay.
We need to see a supervisor.
You were operating on a public roadway.
Stop using that terminology. You're lying. Stop it.
You have a driver's license.
Get your supervisor here for lying right now. You're actually lying.
Not at this point in time. If you can provide me with your driver's license.
I'm not.
You have a driver's license.
Yeah, not driving.
I don't answer
questions. Not driving. Don't answer questions. Get your supervisor here for lying on the record.
68.
What's your name and badge number? You're literally lying right now.
Okay, right now you are being placed. You are detained. You are being detained. Right now you're being detained.
Stop. Give me my license.
Stop.
Bro, that's crazy. You're really, bro. What are you doing? Wow.
Right now you're being detained.
Illegally detained. Illegally detained.
Give me your other hand.
Dude, you're going to be losing your job. You're getting sued. You're getting sued, dude.
What have I done?
You're losing your job.
Right now.
No crime has been. Can you please help me?
Right now I am detaining you, failing to ID.
Can you look it up?
He's literally not
I can, but you're refusing to offer it to me.
He's arresting me for failure to ID.
Right now you're not being arrested.
He's saying he's taking me and Karen.
Right now you're not being arrested. Sir, step back.
What is your name?
Step
Shut
back.
the fuck up. What's
You're
your
about
name?
to get detained too. Step back.
No, you're not taking me for failure to ID. You're kidnapping somebody.
Please.
Right now, like I said, you are not under arrest. You are being detained, okay?
That's the same thing. That's the same thing. I don't consent to any search or seizure.
His tail light was out. His tail light was out. So now he's
allegedly.
His tail light's out.
Please, I do not.
Look at that, Mom.
I'm sorry. Can I ask what's going on?
Right now, he's being detained because he failed to ID. What I'm trying to do is get his ID because he was driving a vehicle
No, he's not
on a
driving.
public
Now you're lying
roadway.
again.
Sir, this is not about you, okay? This is with him.
You keep saying the wrong
Where's your driver's license?
Under duress.
Okay.
You can under duress. Can I get it for you?
Where is it at?
Under duress.
Where's your driver's license?
You're shaking and it's making me nervous.
Where's your driver's license at?
You're shaking, making me nervous. Under duress, it's in my pocket.
In your pocket.
But I'm not giving you jurisdiction because I'm not operating under the commercial code.
That's we're beyond that right now, okay?
All right, under duress, if I'm in handcuffs, can you please get it?
Yes, where is it at?
And you're shaking, it's making me nervous.
Where's your driver's license?
Can I ask why he's in handcuffs?
Because right now, when I stepped out of the vehicle, he refused to ID, okay? What I'm trying to do is identify him once I get his identification. So I pulled him over, ma'am.
Wait, I want to ask this.
Okay.
Do you have a way to check his ID through a license tag?
No, I don't. No, ma'am.
You don't have a computer in your car?
I do have a computer in my car, but it does not link with the
license plate number?
License plate. Okay. We're going to step back over here. so I can get your ID.
Dude, let him drag you. You're not non-compliant. Wow.
Like I've said, look, they're causing issues beyond the point of what needs to happen. Okay, you're not. I said you were detained right now. Can I see your ID?
For what crime?
Can I see your ID?
If I'm detained, then I'm under.
You said it's in your pocket.
Because he's in fear for his life. What a joke, Peter. Dude, you're fired. You are fired, bro. Losing your job.
Sir.
What a joke.
Sir, you can step back by your car.
Don't even talk to me. Don't say sorry to me.
Lean up against this
You're not
car.
in fear for your life. You're on my property.
I'm not taking the keys. I'll put them back in your pocket, okay?
Are you really gonna arrest me? Are you serious?
I've said this multiple times. You're not under arrest. I detained you because you failed to ID,
you don't
okay?
You don't get the dictionary.
Where's your license? Because I'm not trying to go all through your wallet.
I don't consent to a search.
I'm not searching. Where's your ID?
Me as a man, and I'll give it to you.
Once we're complete with the traffic stop.
It's not a traffic stop, man.
You're really
gonna get in trouble. Can you talk to your supervisor? It's a traffic stop if I'm a U.S. citizen.
Okay.
I'm not a U.S. citizen.
Do you have some form of an ID?
I have no weapons.
You said it was in your wallet, correct?
No weapons on me. I'm just making sure you don't kill anybody tonight.
You're scaring me.
You've
I wish you would just talk to me like a man and I could explain things.
What have I done that was disrespectful to you?
No
You grabbed me,
crime
you're shaking my hands. My hands are in handcuffs. I haven't committed a
What crime do you suspect is being committed right now? Do you know the definition of a crime?
Is it in your wallet? Your ID?
You're searching his wallet?
You know that is unlawful search and seizure.
Cody, would you like me to
Okay.
get it out of your wallet for you? I can't believe you wouldn't give him permission to search your stuff, would you?
No.
Do you want me to get it out for you?
Under duress, if he's saying that he's not gonna let me go unless, then you can present it to him. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah,
Can you tell me where your ID is? A minute ago you said I could take it out of your pocket.
I don't answer
Under
questions.
duress because you're handcuffing me.
Okay. Yes, because you are detained at this point in time.
My ID is in my wallet.
Okay.
My ID is in my
Where is it at in your wallet? I'm not trying to go through every single card you have. This is it, I'm assuming.
That's fine. You can use it.
Okay. This is driver of this car causing the issues.
Hey.
I'm not a driver. I'm not a driver.
Hey, no, you don't tell me what to do.
You interjected yourself into this.
Hey, no, get off my property.
Get over here now.
Hey, are you the excuse me, sir? Are you the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Get away from me.
You're interjecting yourself into this traffic stop.
Get off
over
my
here.
property, you piece of shit.
Get over here now.
No, you get over here then. He wants to say get over here like I'm a
Okay,
dog.
I will get over here.
Yeah, exactly.
What is going on?
Yeah, exactly. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away
Going now.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Channel.
Stop. Help. Help. Help.
Give me your hands! Give me your hands now!
Help. Help. It's my glasses.
I got
Help. Help. My hands are around my guy.
Stop.
Help.
Get back! Step back!
Get back. Help. 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 Mama, help. Take my phone.
What to do?
Take my phone, Mom.
We got 1 minute.
Arresting you for some stupid
I've done nothing. He's hurting my wrist. He's breaking my wrist.
Guys,
Get off of me. I can't even breathe.
Get back!
let him
Oh
go.
my God.
Where's my glasses? Give me
I
my
got
glasses.
Oh my God.
Give me my glasses. I can't. Stop breaking my arm.
I'm not breaking your arm. Hey, yo, get back.
What is that?
Step back!
Give me my glasses. I cannot see.
Yo!
You guys stop.
His glasses are right there.
Those are his glasses, okay.
Glasses.
You step out with me.
Hey, you know what y'all doing?
What the hell is going on?
Help! Help!
Please let us go.
Help! Help! Help!
Hey, don't hurt him. He has not committed a
Ma'am, step
Let
back.
him go! You're hurting his shoulder! You're hurting his shoulder!
You put him in the Kimura.
Crap! What is
I have your glasses. I have your glasses.
Get in my glasses! What's wrong? I've done nothing! Please record this! They're kidnapping me! I've done nothing!
I don't know what's going on.
Can we all talk like adults,
Here,
please?
you coming with me?
Please talk!
Hey, Rug, I'm putting him in my car. Come on.
Why do
Come
I
with
have
me.
to go in the car?
Because right now you are
You have
causing
my
more
ID?
of an issue. Yes.
What did I do, man? You have my ID, dude. Can you run my ID at least, or what? What are you doing, dude? Why do I have to go in the car if I just stand here, man? Are you serious, man?
All right, step in the car.
Why are you doing this? What was your name? Badge number?
Step in the car.
Why are you doing this to me, man?
Step in the car.
Can I
Move your foot.
He's pushing him. And the bad back, he's hurting
I
him.
see that.
You from turning towards me.
To talk to you, stupid! How
Who
stupid
is
are
this?
they?
Stay
Who is
back.
this?
Help! I'm getting
Back.
kidnapped!
Just stay right there. Stay right there.
House. They ran in our house.
I've done nothing wrong. No crime at all. Nothing wrong.
Yeah, let's get him in the car.
No!
Yes.
I'm not going
Stand
with
up.
you. I've done nothing.
Stand up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing. You're hurting me. My arms are getting
We're
broken.
10-4. Still got one resistance.
Get me your supervisor now. I want a supervisor. Give me a supervisor. I need a supervisor. I'm being kidnapped. I've done nothing. I've done nothing.
Come on.
You're such a piece of shit. I've done nothing wrong.
Get in the car.
Ow! Ow! My arm! Oh.
We're 10-4. Anybody else coming, y'all can reduce.
Ma'am, I am more than happy to explain. I need to go back to the house. I want my body cam.
I got it.
Anybody who's calling her off to reduce code.
6-8, you can go from check.
Deputy Peters conducted a traffic stop on this vehicle. I don't.
No.
On that vehicle. I don't know if that's your son, who it is.
Ma'am,
Son came out and is interfering with.
ma'am,
No.
would you like to accompany me so I can get my flashlight out of your house?
I don't know if that's your son.
I don't think this needed to go this far. Over what was the traffic stop for? Can you tell me what the traffic stop
Yes, ma'am.
was for?
So the other person who I was trying to conduct business with.
Cody.
So
What are you
Cody,
looking for?
my flashlight.
Is that it? I don't know. I don't know which
Yes,
one.
ma'am. That's it. Which one of these are his phone?
This is Cody's and Derek's.
Okay.
Okay.
You want me to give it to Cody? Okay. All right. Let's step back outside.
Get back around there right away.
You okay?
Please put me out. I can't breathe. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Please. I cannot breathe. Go ahead. Please, roll the window down or something, please.
What's going on?
I'm not leaving the door open.
I'm not doing it. I'm not going
You
anywhere.
already
please.
did do it. Put your foot in the
Please,
car.
I my cuffs.
Put
Please.
your-
They're breaking my wrist.
We'll check 'em in a
Please.
second
Just
when you
check
calm
it right
down.
now. I'm right
No.
here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Help! I can't breathe.
Are you okay, ma'am? Okay.
This is too much.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not being funny. Do you need a paramedic?
I don't know.
Okay.
She got training code.
So, what this guy do?
So, Cody, I pulled him over. It was a traffic stop. Let's step over here so I can speak with you.
Yeah.
Cody, driving the vehicle over here. The vehicle had no taillights. Simple stop. I was gonna get out with him, explain to him, hey, you're already at your residence. It's gonna be a simple warning. I don't. Who is this?
This is my son right
Your
here,
son?
right there.
Okay. What's his name?
Derek.
Derek. Derek stepped out, started interjecting into the traffic stop, yelling, preventing me from continuing my stop with Cody. Okay, at that point in time, my partner showed up. We attempted to detain Derek due to interfering with public services. That's when he ran into the house. We had to follow him into the house.
The juvenile's going to be at the
And at that point in time, he was placed in custody.
Let the law figure it out. You know?
Yes,
I mean, he probably don't think he had any right to come in his house or whatever. So
Well, he was out here interfering with the traffic stop, and when we went to try to detain him, he ran into the house. And at that point in time, we don't know if he's going to retrieve weapons. We don't know exactly what's going
he
on.
don't
So,
have one, so
well, you know, me being on this
I know.
stop, I don't know what's going on.
I know. Well,
So Cody's in cuffs in the backseat of my car.
What's
He
he
was
in cuffs
he was
for?
just detained because he failed to ID. He's not going to be placed in the jail or anything like that, but he failed to ID. That's what started this whole fiasco.
yeah.
Ow, 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 ow.
It's not tight, man.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You can do.
I'm getting it. Give me just a second, okay? Ow. That one you're trying to rotate your arm.
I'm not even moving my arm. I'm just holding it still.
Okay, I'll loosen that one just a little bit, okay?
68. Can you run the name, date of birth? $68.
68, stand by one.
Not interference. I can say whatever I want to. That is not interference. I'm on my own property. I'm on my own property, not interfering at all. Words is not interfering.
Away from his
I
investigation.
need to speak to your supervisor because word is not. Can I get my light glasses? Glasses.
You don't
I've got them. I'll get
I
them
don't
to
see
you.
anything back there right now.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
you could be arresting me for the same thing.
Okay.
Because I was
Ma'am, do you need EMS?
standing right here.
Do you need EMS?
You need EMS?
I don't think so. But I was.
Will y'all please run my
21, can you go ahead?
do not detain you.
We're up.
Mom.
I've got it.
I know. I'm gonna show you. Look right here. This white one. Okay. The white one at the top. I'm trying to show you where's that. Look.
68?
No, the other side. That white one up there at the top.
Copy name, date of birth.
Go ahead.
Last name Voss. Victor, Ocean, Sam. First name Cody. November 14th, 1994. Hey, y'all get his ID, bro?
Is the supervisor on the way?
No, they're not.
Did you get his ID,
Not on the way?
bro?
What?
Did you get his ID?
I got a U.S. passport card.
Yeah, that's what I had. Copy second name, date of birth when you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Last name Phillips, first name Derek, April 22nd, 1986, Thomasville.
And that's cussing at me. You tell me to go talk to him, so I go over there.
Did you
talk
say
to him. He
87,
takes off running
97?
from into the house.
He in the car?
What?
He in the car?
No, I don't think so. Right?
That second one's 1986. No, he's driving in this pickup right here.
Yeah.
329, sir.
No, not a part of the traffic stop.
Not at all.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
That's what they're saying. I hadn't.
why are they so mean? What was that? Why are they so mean?
What's up, sir? So I pulled over that Crown Vic. He's driving on 14 with no tail light. He pulled in here on 37, drove all the way into the residence. He was actually right behind that Chevrolet pickup, and they both got out, started sovereign citizen crap. Not ID, not doing anything. So I detained the original driver for failed ID, just detained him right now. Second guy started flipping out. That's when when Rugg showed up. Went to go detain him for basically interfering with the traffic stop. He then ran straight into the house.
I got no return for either of them.
Simple. He ran into the house. We had to follow him into the bedroom. And,
Who are they?
all they have are these passport cards or some crap. But that's all they had.
God, you got Derek Phillips. Was he the driver of the passenger?
Well, he was the one in the truck that interfered. They weren't in the same vehicle.
Why were they coming to this house?
They both said they live here, but I don't know. That female, she came out of the house, and I don't know if it's mom or what, but she kind of made it seem like they both live here.
Okay. What kind of resisting happened?
We got him in there. He was just kind of wrestling to go into cuffs, but I mean, it wasn't too bad.
So what kind of force job you?
Nothing. I mean, he fell onto the ground. We just kind of yanked his arms.
Okay.
Just to get him into cuffs.
Awesome.
What I was probably going to do is the original driver, I pulled over, just cut him a ticket, and send him. I guess.
The ID?
I mean, that's all I got was this. I had to get it out of his wallet.
So he never ID'd?
No. Put him in failed ID.
Which one?
Lawful traffic stops.
The first guy, the driver.
Yeah, I get here.
And then the other guy, once we got him in cuffs, he refused to walk to the car as well. So.
Like made us carry him.
Yeah.
You said their mom's a county commissioner?
Yeah, Derek Phillips is Terry Phillips' son.
Oh, okay.
The back of the shirt says Nick's landscape. Not right now, no.
Did the car come back to anything?
I didn't even get a chance to run it.
Does it have real tags on it?
The white one that I pulled over does. The pickup that he was driving doesn't.
Yeah,
But the actual car I made the traffic stop on has a license plate.
What was the passenger doing?
Well, he was in the truck and he stepped out because he was I guess that Crown Vic or whatever I pulled over with Cody, and he followed him right into this house, and he was just coming up trying to yell at me during the traffic stop, preventing me from getting this guy's ID.
Taking your full attention away.
The entire attention.
Oh,
I couldn't even
immediately
focus.
when I
I
got
couldn't
there
even
was-
focus on this guy. So I immediately detained him just so I could. I mean, he was failing ID, so I detained him, and then had to deal with this guy, and that's when Rugg showed up.
And
We tried to detain him for the.
I told him to come talk to me, and he goes, "No, fuck you.
Yeah.
Go fuck yourself. Come to me." So I walked over there to him. He turned around and freaking took off into the house. So
You needed us to do it.
No, I appreciate y'all
Yeah,
coming
I
out.
think
Though.
we're good.
6 feet from the
No, I hadn't done anything yet. I've been dealing with this guy.
Do what you gotta do. So, you can do whatever you want to. I don't care.
Well, that guy's definitely going for interfering, first and foremost, resisting, and then the driver.
24 traffic.
With him, me having to find his ID and everything like that, you'd say failed ID or.
We're going to be at 69 just outside Winsdale, city limits, car wash.
Yeah.
It's going to be Robert Sam Mary 1319. Robert Sam Mary 1319.
Did he have a passport card too?
Mm-hmm.
Explains why they're acting the way they're acting.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as, because they pulled all the way in and.
What?
Looks like he's on the phone now.
Yeah, I'm about to make a phone call too.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, McClanahan. Say what.
Yeah. I'm gonna go see what's in the vehicle.
I'll just keep him in my car since we've already got him.
Yeah.
We patted him down for
Stable?
weapons and stuff. He's still got stuff on him, but no worry about it.
Okay.
We'll just keep him in my car.
Alright.
Interfering for sure.
Yeah, interfering.
What'd you stop him for?
So I didn't even stop this guy. He wasn't
No,
even
I know
involved.
that.
The
But
original
you
car
stopped.
that I stopped was no taillights whatsoever on the car.
Okay.
He was headed north on 14,
Okay.
and when I caught up to him, he turned on the 37 and drove all the way to this
I
house.
did not know what he was doing when he started running from me.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Here's your glasses. Okay, so just so you're aware, you are under arrest, okay?
For what crime?
For interfering.
But, interference is a physical act.
Hey,
It's
hey,
not,
Derek.
Not a verbal.
Hey, Derek, have you ever had a Texas driver's license?
I have it before in the past, yeah. I use my Texas travel ID though. Is an ambulance on the way? I believe I'm bleeding.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, you do have a cut on your face. Yep. They're on their way.
Okay.
Okay.
Is your supervisor on the way as well?
Our supervisor's already here.
Can I speak? Is it a he or her? Or
You don't need to speak with him.
don't get to speak with a chance to speak with the supervisor. Why do I not get a chance to speak with your
I
supervisor?
can go ask him if he wants to speak with you,
Yeah,
but
I'd like
no,
to-
we're not required to have you speak to our supervisor.
No, I know you're not required. I'm asking.
I'm more than happy
68.
to go ask him. If he's willing to talk to you. Yeah.
68. Detective Fitzpatrick was able to locate those DLs. I got them when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Return on that deal comes back to Cody Storm Voss, white male, 11/14 of 1994, address out of San Leon, Texas. That is going to be eligible. Class Charles, expiration 11 of 2024, no 29 is the locals. Advising ready for the second.
Go ahead.
Return on Derek Phillips, 4/22 of 1986. It's going to be a white male, address out of La Porte, Texas. That is going to be eligible. Class Charles,
anything in the car?
expiration.
I didn't see it.
How's the locals?
Plain view.
10-4, thank you. Can you add both of them to the call, please?
I don't know if you're gonna leave it or tow it or.
I'm just gonna leave it.
He asked for the keys.
To move on, so he can get his car out.
I got the keys to this one. I don't know where the other one is. Hey, Cody. Hey, who are these people out here?
That's Terry Phillips and Karen Phillips.
Okay. Are you okay if you leave the vehicle with them?
Are you taking us?
Yes, sir. Right now you're under arrest, and so is Derek
For what crime?
for failed ID.
You had my ID.
Okay. Are you okay leaving the vehicle here with them?
Yeah, they can have it. It's not a vehicle though. It's an automobile. I'm not involved in commerce. I told you guys.
I'm not gonna argue tonight.
Okay. Hey,
Hey, can I speak to you? Look, I know. Hey guys.
Where are the keys at so they can move the vehicle?
You had them.
I put them back in your pocket. Are they still in your
I
pocket?
can't tell these handcuffs.
Okay.
I thought you put them both on your hood. Oh yeah, it might be there.
I'm gonna give him the
Give
keys.
it to
okay?
Terry. Yeah. So you're taking us both in?
236, can you take this public service for us?
What do you think on him just resisting and interfere, or?
Yeah. Yep. 100% interfering.
Oh yeah, no, without a doubt.
You resisting? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't know if you want to do evading too, or.
No, I'm not worried about the evading.
All right. Where'd they go? Here are the keys to this car. I don't know what happened with this.
I think they're
this
in his pocket or something.
Okay.
Derek's got a few things on his person that he'd like to give you guys. He doesn't want to go to jail with him.
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll pull him out real quick and grab that stuff, and we'll get to you. Okay.
All right.
Hey, do you want your wallet to go with you as well, or do you want to leave it here with them?
69,
I don't know. Did Derek take his wallet, or is he leaving it here?
I think he's leaving it. I don't know for sure.
Yeah, I don't know, cause
It's-
y'all.
I mean, we can take it with you to jail. That's fine.
Well, I don't want y'all to be going. I mean, you can.
It's your wallet, man. I mean, it's
I know.
whatever you
I
want to
just
do.
don't think it was right. Like, I mean, you could have just given me a citation, and I could have. Like,
We're beyond that now.
what are y'all getting him for?
Interfering with public duties.
When y'all went into his house and without a warrant. And,
Okay, I guess the wallet's gonna go with you to jail. That's fine. Is the actual charge failed ID since it was on the traffic stop, or is it a transportation code something?
I believe it's failed ID after being lawfully detained. I'll have to look it up.
Okay.
So I don't care what you do. I mean, you can find a ticket, cut them loose,
Yeah.
take them to jail. It's up to you. Do everything like you would normal.
Yeah.
So,
Do you want me to just deal with Derek, or you want Peters to book both of them and I'll just transport him?
whatever.
I'll book both of them in. That way we're not
Okay,
both off
I'll
the
just
street.
transport him.
What's he complaining about?
He's got a cut on his head, I think, from when I tackled him in the house.
So Derek wants to talk to me?
Yeah.
About what?
He just wants to talk to a supervisor.
Okay. What side is he on?
Huh?
What side is he on?
Passenger side.
Passenger side?
Yep.
Do you need anything else done?
No, I'm leaving. far here. So.
Smash my lung on something. Freaking hurts, dude. I don't know what I hit.
Something round.
Yeah.
Where was my body cam at? Did it go off in the room?
It fell off in the room.
Okay,
yeah.
I wasn't sure.
I saw it laying there after we got him in cuffs.
Gotcha.
You got all the way into the house?
Oh yeah.
Into a bedroom.
Tackled him in the bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like, turned around and took off.
333, copy, business line.
Simple.
Told me he wanted me to come over there and talk to him, and he didn't want to talk to me. Oh, we're just waiting for EMS, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we are waiting for you guys?
Yeah.
Or which one? Yours or
This guy.
And then Mom seems to, she was having like a full-scale panic attack.
Yeah.
Or acting like she was having a panic attack, I don't know.
It seems okay now.
Yeah. Tell her she's just calmed down a lot now.
She was still pretty
was like,
whoever showed up
she was, like,
calmed her down.
hyperventilating and like skip talking, stutter talking. What?
I said whoever showed up calmed her down.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess it's her husband. This is their house. It's her husband. Dad said it's his house, so I assume that's what's going on. But there they are.
EMS.
21 EMS, Lindsay. Yeah. What's their last name?
Phillips.
How you go from being a cop to a sovereign citizen.
How's it going? Sounds like y'all had fun out here, huh?
Yeah. So he's got, Sergeant Blair's talking to him right now. He's got an abrasion on his head from when I tackled him. Mom was having like a full-scale panic attack, and she seems like she's calming down a little bit. That's why I'll go over to ask her. Yeah, I'm gonna go ask her again, but he got cut off, so he wanted to check her out. So I'll go ask her. I want to see you guys or not. Okay. The monitor.
I didn't know what type of video it was going to be. So I was like, okay, I'll say that. Y'all got a Christmas party going on over here? Here's so.
He's gonna ask his wife. He doesn't think so though.
Okay.
Derek, you know how this
Yeah, with a suspicious vehicle in the Bellwood Lake. No 28 available. It's going to be a silver Chevy.
Traffic stop.
So was he in the truck?
He was in this truck.
So did they
both pulled in at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Because the car I pulled over was right behind the white truck.
That makes more sense.
And then they both, because he kept, I lit him up like right at 14, and he kept driving all the way down into the.
Yeah. She doesn't. What?
We saw someone around 271. We were sitting there, we're like, what are they going to right now?
Yeah. We'll just check them out here once he's done. Yeah. And then didn't answer, so I just started running code.
Do what?
I said, when you asked for a 101, I could hear whoever it was yelling in the background, and then you didn't answer the radio, so I just started running code.
Yeah.
I was
333, 1023.
It's not a car, it's an automobile.
Yeah.
I love it.
Take it off. EMS is here, they're gonna take a look at you. So, I know you're wrong.
It's one thing to be standing there filming, but
No, he.
screaming "fuck you" and
Well, on top of that, like he kept like coming up when I'm like trying to talk with him.
you were not even paying attention to the other dude. You were straight watching
Yeah.
him.
Because
That's
I
why
couldn't,
asked.
the entire stop, I couldn't focus on
Yeah.
the actual driver that I had stopped. It
That's
was
why I asked who he was.
Do they have cameras? Are they willing to?
phone cameras.
They do have cameras. I see.
Oh, yeah?
On the corner of
He
their
keeps
house
on
over
swearing there's video of everything.
there. He was filming when he ran
all,
from me.
all three of them were filming.
And I think Mom might have his phone, or she started her own video.
Both.
Yeah.
See if they'll let you look at the cameras or rank the cameras as evidence, however you want to say it.
I mean, they all. Did you ask him if we can have his video?
I didn't ask him specifically.
If he's wanting video of it. We'll ask him. You want to ask Mom? Oh my hell.
Ask Mom for video.
Yeah.
Hey, man. So, Derek is requesting the videos that y'all had taken. Can I get that for evidence?
Not right now.
You don't feel comfortable sharing that with me? Okay. She don't want to give it to me?
Okay.
I'm talking about on the wrist side, but it's tightened up.
Mom don't want to give any video footage of it.
That's fine.
So.
That's fine. Did you ID buff now?
The what?
Did you ID buff now?
No.
Well, at least try to.
Yeah. I was gonna say apart from her.
Ma'am, can I get your name as a witness?
Yes, Karen.
Karen Phillips. Is it with K-A-R-E-N? P-H-I-L-L-I-P-S. Just make sure. What's your birthday, Miss Phillips?
12/29/57.
And a good phone number for you?
903
333.
530 7742.
They're having an event. Everything's 10-4 on weekend.
And who is that showed up in this car right here?
That's my husband, Terry.
Terry Phillips. Okay. Do you know his birthday offhand?
12/19/56.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Y'all take pictures of it.
Okay.
Just have it all documented. Anything else?
No.
Act like everything else is normal.
Yeah. We're
All right.
good. Thank you.
Thanks.
want to take pictures of my arm real quick?
Sitting on motorist assist at South Fleshel Avenue, 600 block. I'll get you to 28 in a second.
We'll get some pictures of him at the jail. Right there too. Yeah.
56 at 28 is going to be Boy Victor Nora 7211.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Hey, that driver, you think needs to go to jail, or?
That's totally up to you, dude.
I know, man.
I don't know what the situation was.
Sarge
before.
keeps telling me just do what I normally would. And,
Yeah.
I mean,
Dude, he's just telling you to do what
I know.
you know what you're doing.
He confused me.
If he failed, if you had to take him and detain him and find his ID, he's failing to identify himself. So, just based on the situation and what's involved, I would take him and book him.
Well, that's what I was thinking, but you know how Sergeant Blair can be sometimes. It just,
No,
he was just like,
he's being straight up. He's just telling you to do what you would normally
do
do.
what I normally do.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
Just because they're elected officials and stuff doesn't change what we're doing.
no, I don't give a shit.
Yeah. So just if you want to do it, if you want to release him, release him. He's definitely going to jail though.
Oh, without a doubt. When you showed up, I was already about to tell you to put him in cuffs, and then he started spouting off at you. And, no, I'll take care of that one, because I had already made up my mind that he was getting put in cuffs next. I just was dealing with home dude.
Yeah.
Like trying to juggle.
I want to see what the sign on his truck says.
Do y'all know that Cody?
Uh-huh.
Y'all know him? How do y'all know him?
He's a friend
friend of Derek's?
Yeah.
Okay. And Derek's your son, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just didn't know where he came into play or anything like that.
No, just a family friend.
Okay. Okay.
Just a family friend.
So just to explain, I think I already I spoke with you a minute ago, didn't I?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So I originally pulled over Cody for not having
I
tail
guess
lights
you
on
did.
his-
I'm
yes,
sorry.
Okay.
You pulled him over for no. Where'd you pull him over? Right?
14 and 37,
Oh,
and he
okay.
drove all the way into the residence. So.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Who's going to take it over? What was that? So who's going to be taking it?
We'll just get him at the jail.
I can sign for him. That's fine.
Thank y'all.
You're welcome. Rob, R-E-P-G. 21.
Michael, just as witness, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Alrighty. Anything else?
No, we're good.
Alrighty, thank y'all.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Well,
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have on County Road 37 status?
We're 10-4. If I hadn't advised already, we got 2 in custody.
First two. $52, son.
Careful. You have my ID in your hand.
Cover.
You see what I'm saying? I wasn't being difficult with you or anything, man. This thing's none of this, dude. Y'all blew that way out of this, man. We're already getting in so much trouble. So much trouble, man. I'm not talking about a complaint, man. I'm talking about charges. Y'all are gonna get charges for what you've done. All I was doing was trying to talk to you and explain to you that, I'm just not gonna say nothing, man, because this is gonna end up in court. And I hope you show up in court, man. I hope you show up in court. You guys did that. Y'all ran in without permission and an unarmed, peaceful, and y'all tackled him and y'all took him down there? Dude, let us go, man. Let us go. I thought sheriffs were supposed to see. I don't like police. I thought sheriffs were supposed to know better, man. Y'all were actually supposed to uphold the law. Are you actually a sheriff, or are you just like a deputy, or what? Because if you can contact the sheriff, man, I have a right to travel filed as a public record notice. And if you guys would have been more civil, you could have actually got to them. And these handcuffs hurt me. I really like. If you took them off and I could put my hands in my front, I wouldn't do anything. Man. It just really sucks it on my back, and you know I don't deserve this, man. I know you're on your job right now, but man, you know I don't deserve this, man. With ways like that, guys feel like this. Where are you taking us? You don't have to tell me that if I ask you. Kidnapping. Kidnapping. You're kidnapping. Paperwork I'm gonna file. You're in trouble, dude. You're in a lot of trouble, man. You're in a lot of trouble. You think you're not? That's fine. That's fine. You broke the law, and you think you're not held accountable for law? Did my buddy tell you he was a cop for 10 years? You think that you know the law, dude? You don't know the law. You're a jerk, man. You're a jerk, bro. The law doesn't apply to you, and it does, man. You have to be held accountable if you do an action. I'm not signing shit. I don't consent to you. You don't have any jurisdiction over me. I'm not signing. I don't authorize anyone to represent me, and I'm competent to present myself. So, I already told you, man. You're shaking, dude. Like, really? You're grabbing me shaking? I can tell that you're nervous, bro. Bro, you're grabbing me and you're shaking. You're supposed to be trained for the situation to de-escalate, but y'all escalated. You were freaking shaking when you were grabbed, bro. I wasn't trying to resist or nothing, bro. I wasn't doing nothing, bro. I was just trying to, man, you know what? You're a jerk, dude. You're a jerk, man. You didn't even give me the opportunity to sign the citation, man. This isn't a jailable offense, dude. First of all, I'm going to do a request for your body cam footage. You had my ID, and then you're writing on a document that I didn't present that. That's falsifying a government document. It is fraud. And I'm basically going to be filing a claim against you at the district clerk's office, district attorney, and you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in a lot of trouble, dude. It's like herpes, right? You supposedly had a good time, right? You abused your power, but guess what? A few months later, you're going to get the wake-up call after all the paperwork goes through. Because we're peaceful civilians, man. We know our rights. And you had no right to do what you did, especially when we didn't do anything wrong. You had my ID, dude. The other officer came and escalated the situation. You had my freaking ID in your hand. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? So you're not saying nothing because you know I'm right. But you're too deep now. So now you're gonna have to just play out the whole thing, man. Play out the whole thing. And it's gonna end up with a repercussion for you. You're probably not gonna do your job. I know how it works. I train with police officers, man. I train jujitsu. That's why I can tell when there's a freaking nervous little fucking pussy who's shaking, grabbing my arm. You're supposed to be a sheriff, but you've never trained in your life, bro. I can tell by your body type you're fat as fuck. I have the right to speak, right? Right? As long as you say good help for it, but guess what? I know my rights, so I'm not gonna say anything that's bad. But guess what? You're fat, dude. And you shouldn't be in the position that you're in because you were shaking over a simple, what you would say, an alleged tail light out, and you're shaking, putting me in handcuffs. Dude, you've had no training at all, because I told you I train with officers all the time. And I can tell the difference between someone who's calm in a fight and who's not. You see what I'm saying? And that's what I'm sparring. That wasn't even any kind of fight or altercation. Just a calm little thing, and y'all escalated out and shake hand, man. Y'all hurt my friend, and I am a witness to that. Y'all put him in an arm Kimura, and I seen it. Y'all think y'all had a right to go into that house, huh? That's so funny. Probably a big man, aren't you? Alright. Probably get so much respect from your wife at home. That's why you gotta go out here and act like this, huh? You're really gonna make a Smith night in jail over some stupid shit like that, bro? You really think you're upholding any kind of goodness, bro? First of all, your corporation is not getting no money from us. None. None. You ain't getting signatures, you ain't getting nothing. The only thing you did was inconvenience two men like yourself. Because guess what? You don't have no fucking authority over me, dude. Just like me, man to man, I'm not scared of you. Bro, you're a cop? Bro, good fucking luck, man. You ain't shit to me, bro. And I guess what? I'm not fucking intimidating you in the slightest, bro. Matter of fact, you're gonna lose your job, probably your car, and your house. Civil. I don't know if you ever had a civil suit, but you really messed up, dude. Oh man, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. I can't wait till the constable serves you, dude. Can you imagine that? We're gonna get the body cam footage. We're gonna put in all the case law. We're gonna see all the things.
206 out at 202 North Jackson.
Trespass into the county commissioner's house. Wow, dude. Wow. Without a warrant and without a crime, right? Without a crime. Wow. And a crime, by the way, is defined by the Supreme Court as an injury to a party or their property. Guess what? There was no injured party. There was no victim. Therefore, no crime. And that's Supreme Court. That's common law. That's the highest law of the land. It goes above all your little bullshit. Jerk. Freaking jerk. Freaking jerk. I wouldn't be surprised if you just stopped without probable cause and said it was the taillights. Never checked them, never got me the opportunity to look, and that's what that's not even a fine. That's a traffic violation. Oh, do you know the difference? I'm gonna educate you right now, son. One involves a victim, and one is only applicable to U.S. citizens still in contract with the corporate United States, which I am not. Didn't do nothing wrong. And so guess what, dude? God sees all things, man. I don't care if you believe or not. God sees all things, man. And what you think you did tonight, right? And I know you're framing it like this, right? I know what it's like, right? You frame me as like a customer, right? Oh, you're just at work and I'm another customer, right? I get it, right? I know business better than you could ever even imagine. But guess what? I wasn't involved in no commerce tonight, man. So you messed up, dude. Y'all needed to learn anyway. You need to learn, man. Hope you're scared. I really hope so, man, because if not, you're just dumb. Because you don't realize what you've done. You must not have been in that position for long, and you must not know very much of the law. You know that officers that do break the law, you think you're not held accountable? You think you're not held responsible, dude? Kidnapping, assault, falsifying a document, unlawful search and seizure, breaking and entering without a warrant, using emergency lights outside of emergency, felony. You know, most cops back in the day would say, here's done, so I just want to let you know, make sure you get that fixed. But put my tail light to work. And a traffic violation is not a crime, so I wouldn't have to present you my ID, dude. Which I did, and then you're still taking not just because you're fast, but just also because you're unrighteous. Unrighteous. Now, you didn't just talk to me like a man. We could have got everything squared away. You called back up, assaulted my friend, and kidnapped us both. For what? For what, dude? For what? You have my ID. You could have wrote me a citation and been on your way. What's your problem, bro? What's your problem? And I would have corrected the paperwork on the back end. I wish you would have just wrote me a citation and under duress, and I could have just corrected the paperwork on the back end. But no, you didn't even give me an opportunity to do that, dude. When you had all that, why am I don't get it, bro. You know what it is? You fucked up, and now you have to try to hope that if you pretend like we're criminals, that maybe you won't get prosecuted. You're gonna get prosecuted, dude. If you were smart, you would call your other officer and say that y'all need to apologize and just let us go. And realize that y'all made mistakes just like other men do. I can tell how you were shaking hands when you grabbed me. You felt how calm I was, right? Because I was peaceful. I was not a threat. I didn't want nobody, bro. I don't want no trouble. But you're shaking. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Long day of work. After a long day of work, y'all really gonna kidnap us and throw us in the cell? Are you serious? We didn't do anything wrong. Anything wrong? You need to learn what jurisdiction is, man. Jurist is people who have authority over you. Diction is like the dictionary, the words that you use, right? You don't have any jurisdiction over me, right? When I'm talking to a freaking brick wall, I'm talking to an idiot. Let me go. You better not lose my stuff. That's one of your responsibilities. You better keep all my stuff secure. You better give it to Karen and Karen. You better not lose it. Because I'm peaceful and I'm unarmed and I'm not gonna be nothing. So just don't hurt me. All right.
Do what? Oh, yeah? All right, Mr. Cody, you can step out. I'm gonna walk right up here to this cage.
Hey, is it policy or could you take the handcuffs off? I tell you as a man, I'm just not gonna.
As soon as we get in the jail, I'll take them off.
Okay. Can you take my buddies off too?
Yeah, he'll get them off too. Just right around to this door, man.
Yeah, they're in so much trouble.
Right here, Cody. Right here, Cody.
They're in so much trouble.
I'm just gonna pray for him. I don't know.
I'm not signing nothing, dude, and I'm not saying nothing. I don't answer questions.
I wouldn't. That's a good right to exercise.
Yeah, I just called him fat as fuck and weak and nervous for thinking.
Silence is a great right to practice.
Yeah, I guess we have the right to speak too, and we know how to say whatever we want.